Happy birthday, America. So let's start off with some red in our red, white, and blue. So this is cherry vodka. So we can just do a nice little shot of cherry vodka. This one's super, super easy. Look at that cherry vodka. Now, most cherry vodka that you probably can find at the store ain't gonna be red. So I guess you could use some food coloring in yours. Ain't gonna change it. It's still good. Okay. Now, red, white, and blue. Let's skip the white for a second. Let's just go to the blue. So we got blue raspberry vodka, okay? So you could find blue raspberry vodka anyway. I think UV has a cool blue raspberry. Now let's get to our white, okay? Now we can start off with some rum, white rum. You don't gotta use Bacardi. Hey, those of you who took my course, you remember I was telling you some bottles, like pour spouts just don't work in. Like this is one of them, and Patron. If you take the course, you'll understand, okay? Go take the course. tipsybartender.com/exclusive. So we can pour some Bacardi in there. Let's put a shot. It's America's birthday. You expect them to stay sober all day? Huh? Don't point that. I'm telling you, okay, it's America's birthday. I got the educator, okay? She's English. She don't know. Matter of fact, that upsets her, okay? This used to be a British colony before we have bust their ass. Now I come in with some coconut, some pina colada. This sobe or sobe. What do you call it?
Sobe, I guess.
Neither of us know. Bahamas, England, Jesus. Okay? Both of us can get deported. So now we can pour some of this sobe or sobe in here. Sobe. I think it's sobe. Okay? Beautiful. Sobe.
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 Sobe or not sobe?
What is it? Descartes now? To be or anyway.
What?
I think therefore I am. No, it's the wrong thing. To be or not to be. Oh, that's Shakespeare. Okay, sorry. I look smart to you? Anyway, okay, guys. Now you grab your 2 shots. Oh, Lord. We should have put these in first. Now this is the hard part because you don't want this to spill because it can change the color of the liquid beneath. So you just have to be real gentle and hope you can get them to hold properly. Lord, don't let this twist because I want that thing beneath to stay white. Dear Lord, please guide my hands. Amen. It's a liquor prayer. Oh! Snapperella! He got it! And there you have it! The red, white, and blue bomb! This one is fun. Now, Sky, how do you do this? You do a shot. 1 shot drops in. Your choice which one you want to do first. And then you go back and forth and you wash it down with that pina colada and that rum. America! So you do that, then you do this, all right? As always, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. I'm not just trying to be controversial with her, guys, okay? She's actually English. She's the reason America's independent today because we bust her ass, okay? Not her. Her uncle, King George. Anyway, later.
Look at the gradient.
That is kind of cool, eh? Let's see. Hold on. Look at this. Red, white was pretty good. Okay, let's keep the blue on the side. Okay, the blue runs. Later.